Hi all, welcome back to the channel. It's been quite a while since I've uploaded a video, mainly because I don't use the bike in the winter and it's been parked up. I'm not one of these guys that ride all year round. I'm a bit of a softy that way, and I do like the comforts of the car, especially in the winter. Plus I hate the salt, so I don't want the salt on the bike. So anyway, I've been using the bike to commute to work for the last few weeks anyway, now that the salt's gone. And today I'm off to Honda, my local dealership, so that the bike can get its second service. Now it's getting the service about 1,000 miles earlier than planned, and that's simply because when I do hit the 4,000 mile mark with the bike, I'm not going to be in this country, and neither's the bike. So what's coming up on the channel? I'm just going to scratch my nose, hold on. So what's coming up on the channel then? Well, just very shortly, Willie and I will be going on our summer holidays, and we've decided to take the bikes over to Europe. So Willie and I will be riding down to Hull. We'll get the overnight ferry to Amsterdam. We'll land in Amsterdam, and then from there we'll just ride. Now we'll plan on coming down through Germany and into Austria. I've got a friend in Austria, Dave, very good friend, and Willie and I will probably stay a few days with Dave, get a few beers, and then from Dave's we're going to move on down to Italy, then probably Spain and France. So we've got that coming up in the channel. I won't be taking any laptops or what have you, so I've got about half a dozen SD cards. So providing the GoPro doesn't muck up, I'll try and record as much as possible. So anyway, it's a Friday morning, and it's another beautiful day, and it's service time for the bike. And as usual, I've had a bit of roadworks, so we'll just go round this. That's the beauty with the bike, you can do this. God knows how long these temporary lights are going to be here. They've been here for about a fortnight already, and they're building houses just in that field. So no doubt it's going to be here for a while. And the guys are controlling the lights manually this morning. So that'll obviously help ease the congestion. It's a Friday, so traffic on a Friday in the morning certainly tends to be a lot quieter than during the week. And if I normally finish work, if I finish work at about 2 o'clock on a Friday, that can be a nightmare getting home, because I think everybody else finishes early on a Friday. So it's just great being back out on the bike again. I've really missed it over the winter, so it's just great to be back out on 2 wheels. So the service is booked in for 9 o'clock, and it's 8:30 just now, so we should get there in time. Right, we're going off to the right here, but there's no point just squeezing all the way up the front, because the lights are, I was going to say, about to change. Plus there's a big bloody truck in the road, and I'm not going to argue with that. So over the last week at work, or using the bike to commute to work, I've been getting really good mileage out of it, and the average MPG 60.3 to the gallon, which I think's not too bad. Now, to be fair, I haven't been thrashing it, I've just been riding it nicely. So if that's the sort of MPG I'm getting, I'm happy with that. I'll maybe try and exceed that when I go over to Europe, because again there'll be absolutely no rush to get anywhere. We've got 2 weeks. Got 2 weeks just to enjoy it, so there's no point being in a hurry. And here we are. Oh, it's a sign saying bike parking only, thanks. Yep. Morning. Right, that's us. Let's get this booked in. Right, that's the bike being serviced. It's got a clean bill of health, fresh oil in it, and as usual the guys here at Two Wheels have been absolutely fantastic. And I even purchased an extra litre of oil for our little European adventure. So yeah, let's head home. So that's the bike done 3,097 miles. So it's had its 4,000 mile service 1,000 miles early. Simply because I'm not going to be here when it hits 4,000. And you actually stop and get my EFAG fixed. You're just digging into me, and no doubt igniting all my fluid, so I'll run out of fluid, so I'll just stop here. I'll get that sorted. Just stick it in the box. There's my oil. Genuine Honda. Stick that in there. Anything else to go in? No, that'll do it. That'll do for topping up if need be. Very much doubt it, but better being safe than sorry, I suppose. Right, let's crack on. No more things digging into me. So it's now 12:15. So I'm going to have the rest of the afternoon to myself, which is handy dandy. And this afternoon, probably about tea time, I have Derek from MOTO UK popping in, and he's also coming along with Andy. That's the Adventures of Bella, the Enfield. Both they guys have got channels. Derek's is obviously MOTO UK, so check him out, and Andy's channel is the Adventures of Bella, the Enfield. Another good channel. So yeah, check the guys out. So when I come back from my trip, I'm going to change out the tyres. Well, they've all be done when I come back anyway. So I've priced up the Michelin Road 6s, and they're coming in at 447 I think it was, supplied and fitted. So not the cheapest, but at the end of the day you can't skimp out on safety, I suppose. The tyres is the only thing connecting you to the road, and like all my vehicles, I don't scrimp on safety. Right guys, I'll just wrap it up there now. That's the bike all ready for its summer adventure, thanks to the guys at Two Wheels in Edinburgh. So on that note, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.